KiwiCloud also supports remote assistance, ideal for technical support and remote troubleshooting. Go to Device Management Device List. Select Target Device. Click More Remote Assistance. If Enable Unattended is activated on device, system automatically connects remote desktop. Without user confirmation, operator gains direct control. After remote screen loads, perform actions via web console. For example, click Home button to return desktop. Open Chrome browser. After support, click Exit button bottom right. Confirm OK to safely terminate session.